friends, today we will continue the problems based on gradient. The most important topic that we have discussed in earlier video is directional derivative, and now we solve some problems on directional derivative. So here is the problem, is find the directional derivative of function is equal to xy square plus yz cube at the point 2 comma minus 1 comma 2 in the direction of vector I bar plus 2j bar plus 2k bar. So the question says that here we have to find out the directional derivative for this function. What is the for directional derivative of a function is del f. So we have to find out the del f and at the point 2 comma minus 1 comma 1. So we have to find out the del f at this point and the direction of the vector I bar plus 2j bar plus 2k bar. So what is the formula for this? Del f dot e cap, where e cap is e bar by mod e bar. So you have to find out the del f and del f at point and then del f dot e cap. Let's start the solution. Here is the solution. Now take function f of x comma y comma z equals to xy square plus yz cube. So now we have to find out the directional derivative, that is del f equals to I bar into dou f by dou x plus j bar into dou f by dou y plus k bar into dou f by dou z. So this is the directional derivative. So now we have to substitute the function in this equation. Then we get, here is the function f and here is the function f and here is the function f. Now we have to derivative this function with respect to x by taking y and z are constants. Now here we have x term, so derivative of x is 1 and 1 into y square is y square and derivative of this one term is 0. So we get only y square plus 0 equal to only y square. And now derivative of this function with respect to y by taking x and z are constant. So here we have y term, so derivative of y square is 2y, so x into 2y, and here we have derivative of y is 1, so 1 into z cube. And next here is derivative of this function with respect to z by taking x and y are constant. So this first term doesn't contain any z term, so derivative of this function term is 0. And next we have z term here, so derivative of z cube is 3z square, so we have only y into 3z square. So after derivating we get del f equal to I bar into y square plus j bar into x into 2y plus z cube plus k bar into y into 3z square. And now we have to find out the del f at the point 2 comma minus 1 comma 1. So we have to substitute this point in this equation. So here we have y square, so in the place of y we have to substitute minus 1, so minus 1 whole square, and here x is 2 and y is minus 1. So after substituting we get 2 into 2 into minus 1, that means we will get minus 4. Here 1 cube because z is 1 and here y is minus 1 and z is 1. So finally we have minus 1 into 3 into 1 square, we will get minus 3. So finally we get I bar minus 3j bar minus 3k bar. Next we have to find out the unit vector. So the unit vector in the direction of vector is I bar plus j bar plus 2k bar. So we have to find out the unit vector in the direction of this vector. So let's solve. E cap is equals to vector I bar plus 2j bar plus 2k bar by mod I bar plus 2j bar plus 2k bar. And now mod of a vector is square root of, here the coefficient of I bar is 1, so that's why here we get 1 square and here is 2, so 2 square and here is 2, so here 2 square. So finally we have 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4 and 2 square is 4. So 4 plus 4 8 plus 1, 9. So square root of 9 is 3. So we will get 1 by 3 into a bar plus 2j bar plus 2k bar. And now we have to find out the directional derivative. So the required directional derivative along the given direction. In which direction? The direction is in the vector direction, that is the vector is I bar plus 2j bar plus 2k bar. So del f dot a cap. So it is a del f and e cap is 1 by 3 I bar plus 2j bar plus 2k bar. So you have to dot product these two vectors. So here I bar is 1 and j bar is 1 and k bar is 1. So here we have 1. So 1 into 1, 1 and minus 3 into 2. So we have minus 3 into 2 and here we have minus 3 into 2. So finally we have 1, 1 into 1, 1 and minus 3 to 6 and minus 3 to 6. So we will get minus 12 plus 1 by 3, that means minus 11 by 3. So we will get, so the directional derivative along the vector is del f dot a cap equals to minus 11 by 3. What we have done, let's recap. And we take the function f and then we have found the del f at the point and then we find out the e cap and then we got the del f dot e cap. So del f dot e cap is minus 11 by 3. Now let's start the next problem. Here is find the directional derivative of xyz square plus xz at 1 comma 1 comma 1 in a direction of normal to the surface, that is 3xy square plus y equal to z at point 0 comma 1 comma 1. So we have to find out the directional derivative of this function, that is del f at the point 1 comma 1 comma 1. So in the direction of normal to the surface. So normal to the surface means we have to find out the normal vector of this function, that is del f at the point 0 comma 1 comma 1. So let's start the solution. So the given function is f of x comma y comma z. So the given function we will take as f of x comma y comma z and the second function we will take as g of x comma y comma z. So here the two functions are taken as f and g functions. Now we have to find out the directional derivative of these function, that is del f. So del f is what? I bar into dou f by dou x plus j bar into dou f by dou y plus k bar into dou f by dou z. So after substituting f in this equation we get here f is here and here is f and f is here. Now we have to derivative this function with respect to x by taking y and z are constants. Now this term contains x. So derivative of x is 1. So 1 into yz square is yz square plus here we have xz. So derivative of x is 1. So 1 into z 1, z here, 1 into z here, and here we have to derivative this function with respect to y by taking x and z are constants. So here we have the term contains y, so derivative of y is 1, so 1 into xz square, so we get xz square plus here the term doesn't contain y term, so derivative of this function is 0, so we will get only xz square, and here we have z term, so derivative of z square is 2z, so 2z into xy, and here we have z term, so derivative of z is 1, so 1 into x. So finally we get I bar into yz square plus z plus j bar into xz square plus k bar into xy into 2z plus x. Now we have to find out del f at the point 1 comma 1 comma 1. So after substituting 1 comma 1 comma 1 in this equation we get 1 into 1 square plus 1, and here 1 into 1 square, and here 1 into 1 into 2 into 1 we get 2 plus 1. So we get 1 plus 1 is 2i bar, and here 1 into j bar is j bar, and 2 plus 1 3 into k bar. So finally we got del f at the point 1 comma 1 comma 1 is 2i bar plus j bar plus 3k bar. Now we have to find out the normal vector del g. So let's find the del g. So del g is what? I bar into dou g by dou x plus j bar into dou g by dou y plus k bar into dou g by dou z. So after substituting g in this equation, we get g function here, and we have function g here and function g here. So we have to derivative this function with respect to x by taking y and z are constant. So this term contains x term x. So derivative of x is 1. So 3 into 1 into y square is 3y square, and the remaining terms doesn't contain x, so it is can be treated as constant. So derivative of constant is 0. So finally we have only 3y square plus 0 equal to only 3y square. And here we have to derivative this function with respect to y by taking x and z are constant. So here we have y square term. So derivative of y square is 2y. So 2y. So we get 3x into 2y, and derivative of y is 1 and derivative of z is 0. And here we have to derivative with respect to z by taking x and y are constant. So here this term doesn't contain z term, so the derivative of this term is 0 and derivative of y is 0, and here we have z term, so derivative of z is 1, so we get minus 1. So finally after derivating we get I bar into 3y square plus j bar into 3x into 2y, that is 6xy plus 1 plus k bar into minus 1. Now we have to substitute 0 comma 1 comma 1 in this equation. So after substituting y as 1, so 3 into 1 square is 3, and here we have to substitute 0 in x and 1 in y. So 3 into 0 is 0. So this term becomes 0 plus 1. So 1 into j bar plus k bar into minus 1. So we got del g at the point 0 comma 1 comma 1 is 3i bar plus j bar minus k bar. Now we have to find out the unit vector. What is unit vector? Unit vector is del g by mod del g. So del g is what? 3i bar plus j bar minus k bar by mod del g means square root of, here we have the coefficient of I bar is 3, so we get 3 square, and here coefficient of j bar is 1, so 1 square, and coefficient of k bar is minus 1, so minus 1 square. So finally we have 3 square is 9, here we have 1, and here we have 1. So finally 9 plus 1 plus 1 we get 11. So finally the unit vector recap equal to 3i bar plus j bar minus k bar by root 11. So we have to find out the directional derivative of the given function, that is f, in the direction of the function g, that is e cap. So the directional derivative is del f dot e cap. So del f dot is 2i bar plus j bar plus 3k bar dot e cap is 3i bar plus j bar minus k bar by root 11. Now we have to dot product these two vectors. So as we all know that I bar dot I bar is 1 and j bar dot j bar is 1 and k bar dot k bar is 1. Now we have to multiply only the coefficients of these two vectors. So 2 into 3 is 6 and 1 into 1 is 1, and here we have 3, so 3 into minus 1 minus 3. So finally we have 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 minus 3 is 4. So finally we have 4 by root 11. So the directional derivative in the given the direction of g is 4 by root 11. Now let's recap what we have done. So we found the directional derivative del f and the normal vector del g. Del g is because the question says that the direction of the normal to the surface. So we found that del g. Now del f at the point 1 comma 1 comma 1 and del g at the point 0 comma 1 comma 1, and we found the unit vector, and finally the directional derivative is del f dot e cap. So we got the answer 4 by root 11. And the next problem based on directional derivative is find the directional derivative of x square y square z square at the point 1 comma 1 comma minus 1 in the direction of tangent to the curve x is equal to e power t and y equal to sin 2t plus 1 and z equal to 1 minus cos t at t equal to 0. Now the question says that we have to find out the directional derivative of this function is what? Del f at this point and in the direction of the tangent to this curve. And any curve, any position vector on this curve is what? R bar. So R bar is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, and we have to find out the tangent to that vector. So that is dr bar by dt, and dr bar by dt at t equal to 0 we have to find, and then we have to find out the directional derivative of f in this direction of tangent, that is del f dot e cap, where e cap is dr bar by dt by mod dr bar by dt. Now let's start the solution. Let phi equal to x square, y square and z square. So what the function gives in is x square, y square and z square. So that will be taken as phi. Now we have to find out the directional derivative of phi, that is del phi. So del phi is what? I bar into dou phi by dou x plus j bar into dou phi by dou y plus k bar into dou phi by dou z. Now we have to substitute phi in this equation. So here is a phi function and here is a phi function and here is a phi function. Now we have to derivative this function with respect to x by taking y and z are constants. So here we have x square, so derivative of x square is what? 2x, so 2x into y square into z square, and here we have y square, so derivative of y square is 2y, so 2y into x square into z square, and here we have z square, so derivative of z square is 2z, so x square y square into 2z. Now we have to find out the del phi at the point 1 comma 1 comma minus 1. So now we have to substitute x as 1 and y as 1 and z as minus 1. So we get 2 into 1 into 1 square, and here y minus 1 square, which is z square. And now here x is 1 and here y is 1 and z is minus 1. So we got 1 square into 2 into 1 minus 1 whole square. And now here x is 1 and y is 1 and z is minus 1. So we get 1 square into 1 square into 2 into minus 1. So let's multiply 2 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 into minus 1 whole square 1. So finally we have 2 into 1 into 1 into 1, we get 2. So 2i bar, here we got 2j bar and here we got minus 2k bar. So del phi at the point 1 comma 1 and minus 1 is 2i bar plus 2j bar minus 2k bar. Now we have to find out the unit vector for the tangent to the curve. So let's take the first step. We have to find out is r bar. So let r bar be the position vector of any point on the curve is be taken as r bar equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Now we have to substitute x curve and y curve and z curve in this equation. So x is e power t and y is sin 2t plus 1 and z is 1 minus cos t. Now for finding the tangent vector, what we have to? Yes, we have to take dr bar by dt for tangent vector. So now derivative this r bar with respect to t, we get e power t into I bar, because derivative of e power t is e power t only. So e power t into I bar plus derivative of sin 2t is what? Cos 2t, and the coefficient of t is 2. So we got 2 here, and derivative of 1 is 0, so into j bar, and here derivative of 1 is 0 and cos t derivative is what? Minus sin t, and the minus is here and the minus is also here. Now the dr bar by dt is what? E power t into y bar into cos t into j bar plus sin t k bar. Here minus into minus gets plus. Now we have to find out the dr bar by dt at t equal to 0. So when we substitute t is equal to 0, what we got is e power 0 into I bar plus 2 into cos 2 into 0 into j bar plus sine 0 k bar. So e power g is what? E power 0 is what? Is 1. And cos 0 is 1 and 2 into 1 is 2. And here sine 0 is 0. So 0 into k bar is 0. So finally we got I bar plus 2j bar. Now we have to find out the unit vector for these tangent vector. So E cap is what? That vector by modulus of that vector. So tangent vector is I bar plus 2j bar by square root of, here the coefficient of I bar is 1, so 1 square. Here the coefficient of j bar is 2, so 2 square. Now we got I bar plus 2j bar by root 5. So we have to find out now is directional derivative along tangent is what? Del f dot E cap, or del f is what? This del phi at this point we got is 2I bar plus 2j bar minus 2k bar dot E cap is I bar plus 2j bar by root 5. Now we have to dot product these two vectors. So as we know that I bar dot I bar is 1, so and j bar dot j bar is 1 and k bar dot k bar is 1. No, let's multiply the only the coefficients of these I bar, j bar and k bar. So 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 into 2 is 4 and here minus 2 into, here we have no k bar, so 2 minus 2 into 0. So here we have minus 2, but here taken as minus 1, not minus 1, it is minus 2. So minus 2 into 0. So finally we got 2 plus 2 2 is 4. So 4 plus 2 is 2 plus 4 by root 5. So 2 plus 4 is 6 by root 5. So we got directional derivative along tangent is 6 by root 5. So what we have done, let's recap. We find out the directional derivative of the given function, that is del phi, and del phi at that point. And next we found the r bar, that is position vector, and then tangent vector, that is dr bar by dt, and then dr bar by dt at equal to 0, and then unit vector E cap for the tangent vector, and then we found that directional derivative along tangent is del f dot E cap. Del f is what? Del phi at this point. E cap is what? Unit vector for the tangent vector, and this is here. And then we, after dot product, we got 6 by root 5. Is find the directional derivative of the function f is equal to x square minus y square plus 2z square at the point 1 comma 2 comma 3 in the direction of the line PQ, where Q is 5 comma 0 comma 4. So we have to find out the directional derivative of this function is what? Del f. So any problem, the directional derivative of the function f is given, so we have to find the del f is first. So we have to find out the del f first, and at the point 1 comma 2 comma 3 in the direction of the line PQ. So like we have to find out the line vector, that is PQ bar. PQ bar is what? OQ bar minus OP bar. OQ bar is what? We have to find out the position vector for this line and the position vector for this point 1 comma 2 comma 3, that is OP bar. Let's start the solution. So given function is f is equals to x square minus y square plus 2z square, and the points are p equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 and q equal to 5 comma 0 comma 4. Now we have to find out the directional derivative of the function f, that is del f. So I bar into del f by del x plus j bar into del f by del y plus k bar into del f by del z. So after substituting the function f in this equation, we get function f here and function f here and function f here. And now we have to derivative this function with respect to x by taking y and z are constants. So derivative of x square is 2x, and these two terms doesn't contain any x terms, so derivative of these terms are zeros. And here we have to derivative this function with respect to y, so this term becomes 0, and derivative of y square is 2y, so we get minus 2y, and here derivative of this term is 0. And now derivative of this term is 0 and derivative of this term is 0, and derivative of z square is 2z, so 2 into 2z. Now the del f becomes I bar into 2x plus j bar into minus 2y plus k bar into 4z. So 2 2's 4z. So now we have to find out the del f at the point 1 comma 2 comma 3. So after substituting x as 1, so 2 into 1 is 2 and here y is 2. So minus 2 into 2 minus 4 and here 4 z is 3. So 4 3 is 12. So now we have 2i bar minus 4j bar plus 12k bar. So we found the del f at this point. Now we have to find out the line vector, that is pq bar. So pq bar is what? OQ bar minus OP bar. So OQ bar is what? 5i bar plus 0 into j bar plus 4k bar. So it is the line and we have to take the OQ bar with respect to origin. So by taking OQ bar we have to take 5 into I bar plus 0 into j bar plus 4 into k bar minus, in the same way OP bar is what? 1 into I bar, 2 into j bar plus 3 into k bar and is here. Now we have to subtract these two vectors. 5i bar minus I bar is what? 4i bar and 0i j bar minus 2j bar is what? Minus 2j bar plus 4k bar minus 3k bar is what? Plus k bar. Now we have to find out the unit vector along PQ bar. So E cap equal to PQ bar by mod PQ bar. PQ bar is what? Here and it is here and mod PQ bar. Now 4i minus 2j bar plus k bar by square root of the coefficient of I bar is 4, so 4 square, and the coefficient of j bar is minus 2, so minus 2 whole square is 4, and coefficient of k bar is 1, so 1 square is 1. Now we get 16 plus 4 is 20, 20 plus 1 is 21. So finally we get E cap equal to 4i bar minus 2j bar plus k bar by square root of 21. Now after finding out the E cap, we have to find directional derivative is of f at the point 1 comma 2 comma 3 in the direction of PQ bar is what? Del f dot E cap. So del f dot E cap is, it is del f and it is E cap. So we have to dot product these two vectors. So after dot producting 2 4's 8 and minus 4 into minus 2 8 and 12 into 1 12 by square root of root 21. So we get 8 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 plus 8 28 by square root of root 21. What we have done, we take the directional derivative del f at this point and the PQ bar line, that is line vector is OQ bar minus OP bar and then unit vector and then directional derivative del f dot E cap, then we get 28 by root 21. So here are the practice problems. Test yourself by practicing these problems. Let's look at first problem. Find the directional derivative of function at the point 2 comma minus 1 comma 1 in the direction of the vector I bar plus 2j bar plus 2k bar. So what is the directional derivative of this function is what? Del f. So del f at this point and we have to find out the directional derivative in this direction of this vector, that is del f dot E cap. E cap is what? This vector in numerator by mod of this vector. So then you can dot product del f dot E cap, then you can get the directional derivative of this function in the direction of this vector. Now look at second problem. The second problem is directional derivative of this function at a. So you have to find out the same del f del phi at the point a and in the direction of AB bar. So you have to find out the line vector. So what is line vector? OB minus OA bar. So OB is what? I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar and OA bar is I bar plus 2j bar minus k bar. So you have to find out the line vector and the line vector. We have to find out the unit vector for this line vector, then del f dot E cap. You can get the answer for this directional derivative of function phi in the direction of AB bar. Now look at third problem. Here third problem is what? Directional derivative of scalar function xyz in the direction of outer normal to the surface at the point 3 comma 1 comma 3. So you have to find out the directional derivative of this function is same. So del f at this point, and you have to find out the normal vector, that is z in x for the function z equal to xy, and then you have to find out the unit vector for this normal vector, and then you have to dot product through vectors that are del f and e cap. And next, find the maximum value of the directional derivative of the function phi at 1 comma 4 comma 1. So you have to find out the directional derivative of phi is what? Del phi at the point here. So for finding the maximum value, you take the vector and you have to modulus of that vector gives maximum value of directional derivative, that is mod del f gives the maximum value, that is 9. So and the next problem is you have to find out the directional derivative of this function, which is del f, and del f at this point and along the tangent to the curve is x, y and z at t equal to pi by 4. Now we have to find out the position vector r bar, which is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, and then you have to find out the tangent vector, that is dr bar by dt, and then you have to find out the dr bar by dt at the t equal to pi by 4, and then you have to find out the unit vector e cap for this tangent vector, and then you have to find directional derivative along the tangent to the curve is del f dot e cap. So in all directional derivative problems, you have to find out the del f and del f at that point, and the second step is you have to find out the unit vector e cap, and for the vector that may be a vector given in the question, or there may be a line vector which is ob bar minus oa bar, or maybe a normal vector. Normal vector is nothing but del g. So or maybe a tangent to the curve. What is tangent vector to a curve is dr bar by dt. So these are the basic types that we can get based on these directional derivative. So first step is what? We have to find out the del f, and then del f at the point, and then unit vector. So these three steps you have to remember, which makes you do the problem easily.